What's good, baby? We in the Eastern Conference Finals. Come on, man. Come on, man. I gotta wear the Oakley. That's the last time we won. So I gotta wear Jalen Brunson jersey coming on the way. Thank you, Cat, for not being soft and coming up to this game. And now this video is for the probability and statistics of the Knicks winning the finals. Cause we gonna win. We gonna win, man. We are going to win. I'm telling you. Come on, stand up. We don't need this jersey no more. We need Jalen Brunson. Fuck this old ass nigga. Fuck the old ass nigga. We need that Jalen Brunson jersey. You see, we about to order it. Come on, baby. We flexing very strong. The Celtics always been trash. But we ain't gonna get into the emotional part. We're gonna get into the numbers part. We're gonna dive in. We're gonna look at if the Knicks could really win, cause the Pacers, I ain't gonna lie, the Pacers is good. I know ball, man. The Pacers is actually very good. But man, y'all should have seen the game, man. Y'all should have seen. We was up by like 40. I said, man, I ain't watching this no more. I'm tapping the people up, man. Man, let's go, baby. Come on. Man, we don't need no Art Oakley, man. We don't, man. So, matter of fact, and then, Jalen Brunson sent me this, he called this the Brunson juice. Hold up. You got the Brunson juice right here. You feel me? I just put this in a video. I was about to drop the video of the probability and statistics of the Knicks. I just watched the Pacers game. Anthony Towns sold us. But I talked to the commissioner. Don't worry. He just trying to sell some tickets, man. What's good, baby? Yee. So I just watched the game. I should have dropped this video right when we whooped the Celtics ass, belt to ass. But I thought we was gonna win game one, so I try to come with y'all with a good video. You feel me? But we lost, so I'm not too upset. We came to play. It was a cool game. I wish Anthony Towns hit that buzzer beater. Jalen Brunson, he airballed, but we got the second chance. He just. Let's get into it. Probability and statistics of New York Knicks winning the finals. So we won 2 championships. Y'all probably don't really care about this. We gotta win the third one. Everyone knows this. I want a live. You probably want a live. If an old head watching this, hey, appreciate the likes. But y'all probably talking about Clyde Frazier and Earl of Pearl and all them greats. But in 51 years, we haven't won nothing. So it's kind of irrelevant. I'm trying. Last time was 1973, 51 years. Like I said, irrelevant. I said 51 years. 52. Now, I looked in sports betting apps. Oh, let's go back. So the sports betting apps, they got the OKC Thunder winning it all. Second, Knicks. Third, Timberwolves. Fourth, Indiana Pacers. I watched the OKC to Minnesota. I wanted the Knicks and the Minnesota in the finals, but OKC, they are proven. They are very proven. I'm low-key kind of scared of them, but hopefully, I don't got to get the commissioner back on the phone. You feel me? I was on the phone with the commissioner. Like I said again, we was on chopping it up 2 hours. I was the family, the kids, and then as soon as he was about to hang up, he said, "I got y'all." If it go too bad, I'll get him back on the phone. Why we should win the NBA Finals. It's a script, the commissioner be writing the script. He got to make some money. New York apartments, it's new buildings getting bought, things in that nature. Knicks didn't win in 51 years and is ranked second in value. The Knicks is almost double what these bottom feeding teams are. So it's like, we gotta win. We gotta build up a little revenue. You feel me? So, yeah. More reasons why we win. We got 2 of the best wing defenders. Best 2, 6'7", long, stridey. We play a lot of minutes because we hard Iron Man.
You said something gay, so you gotta say no homo, or else you a homo.
We battle tested. We went through this already. We went through this all through May, all through June, all last year, the year before last. Even we got kicked out first round with Randall, but we ain't gonna talk about that. The energy, the city, I never seen the city so explosive. You know, we really in our bag. We really in our bag. So like, man, New York can't get no better than this. And man, I was on the phone with the commissioner. Like I said again, we was on it, chopping it up 2 hours. You know, how was the family, the kids, and then as soon as he was about to hang up, he said, "I got y'all." And yeah, now our main player, I wrote some stats on him. Jalen Brunson, you know, from Villanova, 28. Mid-range assassin. As y'all can see, his skills, offense, the defense is lackluster, but the clutch is on three. Yeah, and then one of my, you ain't gotta read all this, man, but the favorite stat I really got is the clutch 96% free throw rate in a clutch situation. And he showed that tonight because he went, I think 4 for 4, 6 for 6 in clutch moments and free throws. So he hit 100%. And if we lose, I could have wrote 30 clips on this man. 30 clips on this man. But this is what I wrote in 1 minute. He doesn't take advantage of the post. Most Knicks fans, including myself, didn't like this trade in the first place. He hasn't been performing in the postseason. He's 6'11", 260 for what? He shoot too much threes, and when he shoot threes, he's only 34% in the postseason, and he averaged 42 for the season. He's not tough. He got a fake accent. He whines too much. He complains every time he drive. He goes in soft. It's not even on the bulletin board, but that's what I got. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, baby.